Welcome to this tutorial on enum classes in Kotlin. Enums are a powerful feature that allow us to work with a fixed set of constants in a type-safe manner. Throughout this video, we'll explore how to define and use enumeration types effectively in your Kotlin programs. Enums represent a fixed set of named constants. They provide a type-safe way to define predefined values in your code. Each constant you define in an enum is actually an instance of the enum class itself. Enums are commonly used to represent things like states, directions, categories, or any scenario where you have a limited set of possible values. Let's look at the basic syntax for defining an enum. We use the enum class keywords followed by the name of our enum. Inside the curly braces, we list our constants separated by commas. In this example, we're creating a direction enum with 4 constants: north, south, east, and west. Notice that enum constant names are typically written in uppercase letters. Once we've defined an enum, we can use its constants in our code. To reference a constant, we use the enum name followed by a dot and the constant name. Here, we're creating a variable called current direction and assigning it the value direction.north. We can also use enums with when expressions for pattern matching. This makes our code more readable and type-safe compared to using strings or integers. Enums can have properties just like regular classes. We define properties in the enum's primary constructor. Each constant must then provide values for these properties. In this example, we have a color enum with an RGB property of type int. Each color constant provides its own hexadecimal RGB value. Red is assigned 0xFF0000, green is 0x00FF00, and blue is 0x0000FF. Enums can also have methods. When adding methods to an enum, we must place a semicolon after the last constant. In this priority enum, we have 3 constants: low, medium, and high. We've added a getLabel method that returns a string description for each priority level. The method uses a when expression to return the appropriate label based on the current enum constant. Kotlin provides several built-in functions for working with enums. The values function returns an array containing all enum constants. The valueOf function takes a string parameter and returns the corresponding enum constant. Every enum constant also has a name property that returns its name as a string and an ordinal property that returns its position starting from 0. Let's recap what we've learned. Enums represent a fixed set of named constants. We define them using the enum class keywords. Enums can have properties, methods, and even implement interfaces. They're perfect for representing states, categories, or options in your code. Most importantly, enums provide a type-safe alternative to using string or integer constants, making your code more robust and maintainable. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.